How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa, and today we're going to be reviewing this Seesii cordless chainsaw that they sent me. Now, I've already got a cordless chainsaw, so interesting. Try this other one. The other one I've got is from a company called Bay and Hong. Same company as Alloy Man. They make kind of budget tools. Seesii goes for kind of mid-level, but at a good price. I believe this tool is about under $100. They usually got a coupon available, discounts. So we'll see how well it works. So what you get in the box, you get your tool, of course. It's the chain tensioner. Looks like it's got a thing to prime it for oil, so I'm going to have to put some chain bar oil in here. Got your batteries. These are Makita style batteries. Most of these Chinese company manufacturers like to use Makita style. So if you're in the US and you're having a hard time getting these, or you need them right away, you can run to a hardware store, grab a Makita battery, and throw it on there. They also have instruction manual, some gloves, just like basic woven gloves, nothing special. A little oil applicator thing, that's pretty neat, so that's cool. They didn't set this part up, but it goes like that. Extra chain, that's nice. A screwdriver, assuming that's for adjusting the tool, and a battery charger. And the battery charger just plugs in right there. I've got so many of these different Chinese tools I've tested out, and so the SPTA tool I bought's got a charger you slide the battery on. These will fit on that as well, so nice to have. But anyways, you can charge multiple batteries at once with all the chargers I've got. Pretty simple. You just slide this on like so, and it's got a safety button. You got to push down the safety button to pull the trigger. Pretty simple. This does need oil though before I get started, so let me go grab my chainsaw oil. Alright, so here's my chainsaw oil. I got it from Ego. I'll put a link down in the description if you're interested. This stuff, it's neat because it's vegetable based. It's actually not actually oil or petroleum oil. It's vegetable oil based, but it is super boogery, I guess is the word. So let me fill up this with it. Look at that. Ugh. Looks gross. It definitely lubricates well. Ugh. It's like boogers, man. Alright. This I probably, while it's full, I wouldn't store it in the in here with it. I'd set it aside somewhere so it doesn't leak. Generally, though, this chain oil tends not to leak in these chainsaws because it's so sticky. Go ahead and fill it up. Oh, you gotta break the tip off, you're kidding me. Alright, hold on. Grab a knife. Alright, I got the tip cut off with some scissors. Let's oil her up. Look at this stuff, man. It's so nasty. It takes a lot of oil. Maybe that's not what this is for. It does make application easy though. God. Ugh. Alright, get this cap back on. So I guess I should read the instructions first before I start hacking away. Let's read through this. safety, battery tool, safety, this oil tank, oiler button, solid bar and chain, blah blah blah. Let chain rotate after pressing to evenly distribute the oil. Okay, so that's all it is. So this is not an automatic oiler, which I like, because honestly the automatic oilers are kind of messy. So push this a few times to prime it, get the oil in there, right? Now that we got some oil in there, we'll go ahead and prime the chain. I think 2 presses should do it. And it says rotate, so let's start it up and let the chain rotate a little bit. Keep your hands away from there. The chain looks like it's getting some oil on there. I'll do one more press just to be safe. Oh yeah, now it's starting to sling the oil all over me. Okay, oil's on the chain. Now, most importantly, we want to see how this thing works, right? So let me get a shot of my yard that I'm trying to grow grass in. I just started yesterday. Got any grass growing tips, let me know. Got one of these boards. Got a bunch of these. They're from a bed frame. I use them to fix the fence around here because I rent the house, so I'm not going to get the whole fence redone, but I don't want my dogs escaping, so let's see how it does. Cutting. Pretty good. Another. It works. It was a little rough on those cuts, but it's probably because I'm pushing down so hard. Do one more. Alright, one more. I know I said that, but actually no, because it's getting too close to my fingers. Safety first, right? Alright, some just stuff for the dogs to play with. But, yeah, pretty good. I mean, like I said, I'm not a stranger to cordless chainsaws. This is the second one I've gotten now to do a tool review on. You know, all the wood shavings, or I can't think of the word right now, man. Sawdust. Builds up in here, it looks like, so make sure you bang that out. And this thing, I think you can remove it if you don't want this on here. It's just a good little guard, so it doesn't fling stuff back up into your face. But pretty good little tool. You see, I've got this big tree here that needs pruning every now and then. That's what these are perfect for, or just like fence repairs, or take you over here. It's my fire pit. There's 2 fire pits there actually under there, but cutting up wood for it to fit in the fire pit because sometimes the wood's a little bit too big. Perfect for that. So it's from Seesii. They've been getting known more for their their impact wrenches. I've already uploaded a video on their impact gun, so check that out if you're interested. But yeah, this is a pretty cool little tool. They did send this to me, and they were going to send me just this at first. Then they looked at my channel and they're like, oh, actually, let me send you the impact. And I'm like, hey, send them both. I'll test them both out. So pretty good little tool. It'll get more and more use over time. We'll see how it holds up. But a little 6-inch mini chainsaw. It's nice. Now I've got 2, so that's cool. But comes with everything you need. Nice little kit. And in my opinion, because I know I usually use Ryobi tools, Ryobi doesn't have a good mini. They have a mini chainsaw, but you gotta oil it yourself. It doesn't have an oiler in it, like a little reservoir, which is kind of weird, but maybe they do. I don't know. I haven't looked at them in a while, but that's all I got for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you did, and be sure to check out Seesii on Amazon. I'll post links down below, and you know, who knows, maybe they'll send me something else. That'd be pretty cool. But give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you do want to purchase it through my Amazon link. That supports the channel. If you don't want to purchase it and you want to buy something else on Amazon, still go through that link. They give me credit for anything you buy in that session, so I definitely appreciate it. Otherwise, if you aren't going to buy it, just like the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you all. I will see you on the next one. Have a good one.